Kenton's E39, which you've already seen in a previous video. But one of the things that we are going to do with the car at the moment is that when we purchased the car, there was a very nasty stain on the back passenger side carpet on the floor. And so we've got this that we picked up at the detail garage. It's called Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Stain Extractor. And so we're going to see how it works. So the directions indicate that we need to spray this directly on the stain after we have properly prepared the area, which we have already done. We have cleaned it of any debris or dirt or anything like that. So let's see how it works. And then the directions indicate that we should agitate the area, so that's what we're going to do. And it appears to work like magic. Wow. Just wow. So the product is somewhat magical and made an immediate difference with this stain, and the results were so very good that I don't even really know what to say. So we're just going to continue to agitate the area. Wow. That is insane. Wow. So the carpet cleaned up so well that we actually found another stain further up here under the seat. And so we're going to see what this does with that as well. And it did exactly the same thing. So there you have it, Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Stain Extractor. We did not do any sort of trickery. We cleaned the stain in real time. We simply followed the directions on the back of the bottle, and well, you see the results for yourself. So thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification to join our nation. And please remember to follow us across all social media platforms where we show some of our projects before they actually air on the channel. And we'll talk to you next time.